Hello students, Mr. John here with our vocabulary for Chapter 22. Let's go ahead and take a peek and then move on to your vocab assignment. An oligopoly is when a few large companies control an entire industry. So it's like a monopoly, except there's a few players instead of just one. Still not great. Muckrakers. This is an investigative reporter that exposes corruptions. They're raking up the muck. Let's see, initiative, the right to place an issue on the ballot in a state election. So this is political initiative. A referendum is the right of voters to accept or reject laws. You see those when you vote every once in a while. A recall, the right of voters to remove incompetent elected officials from office. Pretty cool. A suffragist is a person who fought for a woman's right to vote. So women's suffrage is the right for women to vote. Prohibition, laws that banned making or selling alcohol. A trust buster, a government official that investigates and combats business alliances formed to control competition and prices. Arbitration, the process of resolving disputes between people or groups by agreeing to accept the decision of a neutral party. So if I was having an argument with my brother, and then we let the decision up to mom, that would be arbitration. A third party is making the decision. So it is fair. The Square Deal was Theodore Roosevelt's promised program of fair and equal treatment for all. Conservation is protection and preservation of natural resources and like the environment. Mutualista is a Mexican aid group. We'll talk about this chapter. And the Barrio is a Mexican neighborhood. We take a look at our assignment on the next page. It's the writing choice one, so you either get to write 10 separate sentences with one vocab word each. Please be sure to bold the vocab word or highlight it, italicize it, whatever. Just do that or you lose a point. Oh, I've turned on voice recording, so feel free to use that if you want. Option 2, write a story or poem using 5 words, being sure once again to highlight or bold the vocab words. Feel free to get creative. Catch my eye, you get a couple bonus points, and usually I'll give you a bonus point or two for doing the recording option. Don't hack together a story with like all 5 vocab words in 2 sentences. Don't do that. Write me something real here. That's it. Good luck. Let me know if you need anything. Otherwise, have a good one, and we'll get started in 22, our next school day. Have a good one.